Hello, guys! Welcome to my channel, The Power of Knowledge. Thanks for watching, and always don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. With that out of the way, let's get started. And in today's video, we're going to discuss how to improve your computer performance. So why is it that we need to increase our PC or laptop's performance? Well, because nowadays, with all the software and applications we use, they require more power and resources for them to run smoothly. And this is where many users tend to upgrade their systems by spending hundreds of dollars every year just to be able to use the latest software. But there is no need for that, because in today's video, I am going to share with you some of the best ways on how to improve your computer performance without having to spend any money at all. So do watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out on anything. So first of all, let me introduce myself. I'm the founder of the Power of Knowledge channel, where we dive into all things tech. This channel is all about boosting our knowledge together. If you've got awesome ideas or just want to share what you know, drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's learn and grow as a community. If you're into this kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future updates. Alright guys, now coming straight to the topic of discussion. Nowadays, many users are experiencing slower performance issues with their computers, and this is due to various reasons. Now, what are those reasons? Well, one of the biggest reasons could be that you have an outdated operating system. As you know, with time, new software and applications have started coming up which were not available previously, and therefore, if you are running an older version of Windows, then chances are that those applications won't run smoothly. Another reason could be that you have too many startup programs. Now, when you start up your PC, all the programs that are set to auto start will start loading at the same time. This will cause your PC to slow down, because now it has to manage and process all these programs. Also, if you have malware or virus in your system, then also it will affect your PC's performance. Not only that, if your PC is low on RAM, if you are using an HDD instead of an SSD, and if your PC is getting hotter than usual, then also it will lead to a decrease in performance. Now that we know what causes the problem, let us look into some solutions. So, first of all, let us see how you can update your Windows. Now, to update your Windows, all you need to do is right-click on the Start menu and select Settings. Now here, go to Update and Security and check for updates. Now, if an update is available, then just follow the instructions and update your operating system. Now, once that is done, restart your PC and check if your problem has been fixed. Now, another thing that you can do to improve your PC's performance is by disabling the startup programs. Now, to disable startup programs, what you can do is, again, right-click on the Start menu and select Task Manager. Now here, go to the Startup tab and look for the third-party applications that you do want to load during the startup. Now, for each of those applications, toggle the switch to off position, and this will ensure that these programs will no longer load during the startup. Now, once you are done with this, you can close the Task Manager and restart your PC. Now you will notice that your PC will now start faster. Also, if you want, you can go to mosconfig, and under the boot and login section, you can enable the option that says Show More Options. Now here, go to the Advanced section and uncheck the option that says Automatically select a startup setting based on your recent startup activity. What this setting does is that it observes your startup behavior and then automatically selects a startup setting. So, by unchecking this, you are telling your computer that you want to choose your startup settings manually. Alright guys, so next, we come to check in your PC for viruses and malware. Now, to check your PC for viruses and malware, open Windows Defender and select the option that says Virus and Threat Protection. Now here, select the option that says Scan Options and click on Scan Now. Now Windows Defender will perform a quick scan, and this should not take much time. Now, if Windows Defender detects any threats, then just make sure to remove them and then restart your PC. Now, apart from using Windows Defender, you can also use a free antivirus program to check your PC for viruses and malware. There are definitely some solid options out there, like Malwarebytes and Avast You Know. Another super simple way to boost your computer's performance is by adding more RAM. You can't boost your computer's physical RAM, but you can totally lower how much RAM your apps and system use. Just fire up Task Manager and sort those processes by how much memory they're using. Now here, look for the processes that are using a lot of RAM and the ones that you do not need. For example, if you see Chrome using a lot of RAM, then just close the unnecessary tabs. Also, you can use the built-in memory diagnostic tool of Windows. Just type MDHD in the search box and hit enter. Now here, select the option that says restart your PC to check for problems and click on yes. Now Windows will perform a hardware test to check whether everything is working fine or not. Next up, let's chat about why switching to an SSD instead of an HDD is a total game changer. Now, as you already know, an SSD is much faster than an HDD. In fact, an SSD can be 7 times faster than an HDD. Therefore, if you want to improve your PC's performance, then consider replacing your HDD with an SSD. However, keep in mind that an SSD is a bit expensive compared to an HDD. Another way on how you can improve your computer performance is by using the built-in game mode of Windows. Now, the game mode improves the performance of your PC by giving more resources to the games and applications. To enable the game mode, open Settings and search for Gaming. Now here, toggle the switch to On Position. Alright guys, so next we come to cleaning up your PC. So over time, unnecessary files get accumulated in your PC, which affects its performance. Now, you can clean up these files manually by deleting the temporary files and the recycle bin. But the easiest way is to use the built-in disk cleanup utility of Windows. Just search for disk cleanup in the search box and hit enter. Now here, select the files that you want to delete and click on, okay? Now to make your PC even faster, you can also use the built-in storage sense of Windows. Open Settings and search for Storage. Now here, toggle the switch to on position and select the option that says Storage Sense can automatically free up space. Now here, click on Configure Options. Now select the option that says Temporary Files and click on Apply. Now guys, another reason due to which your PC might be slowing down is because your PC is getting hotter than usual. Now, to avoid that, what you can do is use a cooling pad and also make sure that you are using a good quality cooling solution. Also, you can open the Task Manager and go to the Performance tab. Here, go to the CPU section and click on the top left-hand side. Now select the option that says Change the Power Plan and select the option that says High Performance. So guys, with this, we come to the end of today's video. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to leave a like. Also, if you want to ask any questions, then make sure to leave them down in the comments section. And finally, if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.